Hi, I'm Marina. I'm so excited to demonstrate my favorite StagesStudio feature, Color Mode. For those of us that generate our playlist first and want to create a matching class plan, Color Mode is the tool of choice. Let's head over to the practice room to get started. Each instructor has their own practice room where we design new color mode plans or load and review previously made plans. For today, I'll create something new using a song I know and love. Using colors, I want to translate the emotion and energy I feel from this song into real human effort. That effort is power output, and at Stages, we use 7 colors that are assigned to the 7 training zones, allowing riders to experience a powerful and personal class. For more information on the benefits of each training zone, visit StagesCyclingUniversity.com and enroll in one of our world-class programs. Now, let's get to building our masterpiece. I have my music device here, along with color mode on my iPad. I have chosen blue to start, and I'm simultaneously going to press play on my music device and on the color mode screen. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, play. So I'm going to keep it blue here. Oh, you feel a change there? We're going to switch you to green. We've got a big change coming. And I want you to feel the buildup or the swell here. 8, 7, 6, we're going to red. In 4, 3, 2, hit that red. Now, because it's fairly short, for the last half of this interval, I'm going to push my riders to dark red. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hit dark red. Oh, we need recovery. 3, 2, 1, hit blue. All right, breathe it out here. Letting my riders recover. We've got another build-up coming. The music will say it. Color's gonna show it. Hit yellow right now. Do you feel the build-up? Hey, we're going right back into red. In 4, 3, 2, 1, hit that red. Again, I'm going to mimic the first interval, hitting dark red in 3, 2, 1, go. Are you ready for recovery? 3, 2, 1, hit blue. You did it, you did it, you did it. So, this is only one song, and if I were building an entire class, I would continue with this process until my playlist was complete. To save my work, no matter the length, in the upper right corner, I click on the menu icon. The last option is End Class. When I choose that, I'm asked to confirm the choice, and I click End. I'm now asked if I'd like to save the plan. Well, and of course I do. This class plan then goes into my Stages Cloud account for me to use in an upcoming class. It's truly that simple. StagesStudio allows you to efficiently build training-based classes mapped to your music from anywhere. It doesn't get much better than that.